Okay, for this one, it's factor by grouping because there's 4 terms. So I'm going to rewrite this over here, and it doesn't matter if we have 4 terms, if we have 3 terms or 2 terms, however many terms we have, we always start by looking for the GCF, okay? So this one has a GCF because all of these numbers go into 2. So the first step we're going to do before we group them is divide everything by 2. So 5y squared minus 15y plus 7y minus 21. All I did was divide all of these numbers by 2, okay? Now we're going to factor by grouping. So I'm going to group these 2 and these 2, and we're going to take a GCF out of each. So the GCF for the first 2, 5y. The GCF for the second 2, 7. Okay, so if I'm going to bring down the 2 in a second, but let's do this first. So if we have 5y, actually what I would do, put an arrow like this. That shows you at the very end, you're going to include that in your answer so you don't forget. So 5y, that's my GCF, right? And then I'm going to divide 5y here, which just gives me 1y, or just y. And negative 15y divided by 5y is negative 3. Then we have a GCF of a positive 7, so I'm going to write plus 7. 7y divided by 7 is 1y. And negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. These two match. So I have y minus 3. And then my leftover GCF pieces, which is 5y and 7, go in another parenthesis. The very last step, don't forget this 2 that you were bringing down to remind yourself, that goes at the very front, and that is the answer that you're going to put in here.